Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can change the language on ChatGPT. Now let me tell you that ChatGPT is only available in English language and there is no option to change any other language in ChatGPT. But in this video I will show you a way to change language in ChatGPT. Now to learn how to do it, you have to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into it. Now, in order to change your language on ChatGPT, you have to click on the right button of your mouse and there you will be able to see this pop-up menu on your screen. From here, you have to tap on Translate to English option and there this type of box will appear on your screen. And from there you have to tap on this three dots menu and there again a drop down menu will appear on your screen. Now from there you have to tap on choose another language and then this type of box will appear on your screen. Now again you have to tap on this arrow to open up a drop down menu. Now choose a language that is familiar to you and then tap on translate button. And there you go, your ChatGPT dashboard language has been changed. Now you can ask a question on chatbot and then it will generate your answer in the language you have chosen. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can change language on ChatGPT. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.